Okay, so sometimes we have problems with installing the geoprocessing tool. There's hundreds of thousands of different environments, and normally the installers work for everybody, but every now and then there's a problem. So today I'm going to show you how to run the ArcGIS install with the log entry, so that if you need to report an issue, you can send it to us with a log, and then we can easily fix the installer for your particular environment, so you can get started working. So here we're going to run the start, and then we're going to type a search for the command executable, and it's this command prompt. Now when we're installing software with command, we want to run as administrator because there will be changes to the registry and other areas of the software like program files. So we need to make sure we run it as command with administrative privileges. So here I'm going to go to where the download is. It's in users AmigoCloud download. So let's go there. So we can see the download here, and now I'm going to run it with the logfile command parameter. This is going to run the install, and we're just going to click through it quickly. Here it's installing the files. Registering it, has to install some dependencies from Microsoft. Here it's registering us into ArcGIS, and then we can click finish. Now we can have an output file here. This was generated with the install, and I can take a look at that. And basically it tells us what files were installed, when they were installed, if they were installed successfully. So if you're having issues, this will tell us if the software is actually correctly installed on your computer. So hopefully this will help you, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.